In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Lovable. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in your browser tab, bookmarks, and sometimes in shortcuts on mobile home screens. It's a small detail that makes your project look polished and easier to recognize, and the great news is that Lovable makes setting it up quick and reliable. Start by heading to the Lovable dashboard. Open your browser and go to the Lovable homepage. Once you're in your project area, you'll see the main workspace with tools along the top and side. From here, you'll use Lovable's built-in assistant to handle the favicon setup for you. Click on Ask Lovable. This opens the assistant panel where you can describe what you want to change, and it will generate the necessary edits. In the message box, type exactly. Add a favicon using favicon eco in the public folder and link it in the head tag. This instruction tells Lovable to place the favicon at the standard path most browsers expect, and to insert the proper link tag into your site's head so browsers can discover it automatically. Using the favicon.ico path is a long-standing convention, and linking it in the head ensures consistent behavior across different browsers and frameworks. Press Enter to run the command. Lovable will process your request, update your project files, and wire up the link tag in the document head. You'll typically see a brief summary of what changed, such as adding the favicon asset into the public directory and including a line like a link tag that references favicon TCO. If the assistant shows a preview of changes, take a quick look to confirm the file path and link are correct. When you're happy with the change, click Publish. Publishing pushes the update to your live environment so the favicon becomes visible to visitors. After publishing, open your site in a new tab to check the result. Keep in mind that browsers cache favicons aggressively, so if you don't see it right away, that's normal. Give it a moment or do a hard refresh to prompt the browser to fetch the new icon. Also, favicons look best when they're simple, high contrast, and square. If you're ever refining the artwork later, keeping it at common sizes like 32 by 32 pixels helps it stay crisp. And that's it. You went from the dashboard, used Ask Lovable with a precise instruction, confirmed the changes and published. Your favicon is now in place and ready for your users to see.